How's it going, guys? Chris here again, back with another video. This is a bit of retroactive because I've already done this. I've had the car for a year. I came from WRX. So the first thing that I had to do when I got this car, I missed the grumble noise that it had. So I had to change the exhaust. So I went with the AWE track catback. I still have the stock downpipe, so nothing different there. I really like it. It's I've had it for, let's say, probably 15,000 miles, I think is what it has. Yeah, something like that. It sounds really good. It definitely got the grumble that I was looking for. Obviously I could have gone deeper if I wanted, but for what it was and the price it was pretty good. So this video is just kind of a review of it, so you kind of give you a shot at hearing it from different perspectives. I know a lot of people post cold starts is what you usually get, so I'll give you that, and also kind of give you perspective for hearing inside the car while I'm driving, so you can kind of see what it sounds like and get a feel for it. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, so I definitely like it. It's got what I was looking for. I love the sound of it. I hope you can get a sense from the video. Definitely inside the car doesn't do it justice. It's louder than what it seems from the video, but I hope you could at least kind of get a sense for it. If you're looking for something that doesn't have any drone, this definitely is not it. It does have some drone, especially, the cruising speeds. I don't think it's anything crazy. It definitely doesn't bother me. I don't even notice it half the time. Doesn't bother my wife. My daughter really enjoys it while she's riding back there. I haven't had any complaints. Every once in a while, someone that not used to it gets in the car and says they hear it, but it doesn't bother them. At least they haven't said so. But it definitely has some drone, so just be aware of that. But yeah, so I again really enjoy it. Put a link down below of the AWE site so you can check it out. Again, as always, if you liked what you saw, hit subscribe. Let me know what you think. Opinions on something you want to see. Just let me know. See you guys.